Well, in case you guys couldn't tell from the title of the video and the thumbnail, but we built a pit bike track. So check it out. Me and my buddy Micah have been slaving in the hours. Got a nice tabletop double over there. We got a ramp set up here. Lots of safe jumps for everybody. A couple tables here, a couple doubles there. But yeah, we got a pit bike track finally. My buddy Reed came through with that dozer, hooked it up. My neighbor Scott let me borrow a skid steer, so shout out to Reed and Scott for the equipment rental. And it's been a long time coming, boys. We finally got a tractor ride. So me and Brittany have been living in this house for about a year now, and we had permission to build a track from our landlord, and now we finally have it. And so without further ado, going to get her helmet. So without further ado, I'm going to put you guys on my head, and I'm going to show you guys around the track. All right, so what is up, guys? I'm just gonna go ahead and apologize in advance for the poor audio. I do not have my microphone set up in my helmet yet. First time jitters, the first time doing this, so bear with us. Next video, we'll get it dialed in with a little bit better audio. But anyway, go ahead and get the bike warmed up. Anyway, we'll do just a little bit of riding around, get the bike warmed up, but I'll talk to you guys real quick about just some things that have been on my mind and pretty much what we're doing here. So starting a YouTube channel has been something that's been on my brain for, shoot, I don't know, probably 5 years, well, probably longer than that, probably pushing 10 years. I can remember talking to some of my friends a long time ago about always wanting to make videos and just film the stuff we do and yada yada. Everybody knows the spiel. I feel like every YouTuber's probably done the same video. Oh, welcome to YouTube, yada yada. Anyway, we're here. Miller's been trying to put the bug in my ear for a little while now and say, hey dude, you should do your own channel. You should just film the stuff that we do together and, you know, try and go from there and see if it can take traction, because I'm kind of like Kyle. I do construction. I own a paint company, so if you need cabinets, holler at me. We're gonna give the videos a shot. Sorry if they suck. I don't really care about the quality. Enough talking about that. Let's show you guys the track. So first up, we got up here, we got the ramp. We got an option over there for a little hip jump. I'm gonna build a face here to jump this, but over the landing, big 180 sweeper down the straightaway. Got a single into the turn, a little left right chicane over the tabletop, gas it into the woods around the turn. Kind of got like a little single to table. It's really hard to get stopped for that inside right there. A split lane option, table, double, ski jump, double into the turn, boost the table. Got another single into this turn. Nice big 180. Square it up nice and straight. Boost the ramp. And that's a lap. So, whew, gotta catch my breath. But yeah, that's basically a lap. Planning on putting one more tabletop here. Still gotta regrade a couple things. We had a big bonfire the other night. Brittany's been cutting this turn because she doesn't like riding over the landing yet, but she's got a little cheater turn going on here. And yeah, this track's super fun. I'm excited to rip it. Brittany's been killing it. Dude, she has gotten so much better in the last year. She went from not jumping anything to sailing everything. Let's go! We're gonna get you jumping this next. I think she's got it. Immaculate form going into the turn. Leg out for balance. On the gas. Oh! Running me wide. Little cross-up action. Let's sneak up the inside. Anyways, yeah, Brittany's gotten so much better in the last year. Literally until I got this track built, she hadn't jumped a single jump. Now she pretty much jumps everything on this track except that one double. She wants to hit the ramp. Telling everybody about how much better you've gotten in the last year. You went from not jumping anything and rolling everything and kind of being real timid to now you're starting to shape and doubles. and actually to the landing, like all the way, the full jump. Yep, trying to Bubba scrub already. All right, we got Brittany on the camera. Hopefully get some clips. Just got some cool clips of her ripping. Hopefully she'll get some good clips of us, or from me. Finally got a tractor ride, boys. I'm super excited. Oh, it's so hard to get stopped for that inside. Around the left-hander. Yeah. Oh. Into the turn. Boost it. Ah, the tabletop's so fun.
Which one means it's recording? That one or the other one?
It'll.
Not?
Yeah, that'll be flashing red.
Oh, my bad.
Not recording.
I don't think so.
Got a nice little hip jump going right there. Landing's a little powdery still, so I gotta get my neighbor Skitty over and drag it back in. Inside? Dude, the inside is impossible. Yep. On the brakes. Boost it. Little leg swag. We got lots of bricks though. That's one thing we got no shortage of. Alright, let's see if we can jump that a little close. Ah, what a squid. Inside line here. Whew. Deep. Oh, this track's so fun. It's like nothing's too hard, but it's busy. So like you don't really have a chance to breathe. Just always going to the next obstacle. Alright, let's try and hit this inside again. On the brakes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Still pretty slow, but we got in there. Look at her, supporting the dream on day one. Risking it all for the shot. I might have to get some workers' comp for that. Oh, sailing the ramp. Risking it all for the shot, baby. Proud of you. Is that the clip? Is that the money shot? I'm gonna go for a no-hander. Oh, I gotta remove the carnage off the track. We got tons of bricks out here. If anybody needs bricks for building their house, you're more than welcome to come pick up as many as you want. The guy who used to live out here pretty much used this as a landfill, so that's why we got so much trash out here. We did our best to bury it underneath the landings. The ramp. Whew. Scary no-hander. Had a hard time committing to that one. Need the full extension. Uno mas. Let's go, baby. You got this. Oh, chicken shit. Oh, come on, Jake. Got this. One more time. Third time's the charm. Ain't that what R. Willie says? Come on, Jake. Let go of the handlebars. All right, baby. You got this. A little weak, but we're claiming it. Oh, that was so scary to do. I just started doing those for the first time the other day. That, and I'm trying to get the one step. I got it one time, but still not clean. Oh man, little late reaction on that one. Ah, come on. All right, you got this. Let's stick our leg out. Let's stick it over the seat. Dude, I don't care who you are. If you're the first time learning tricks on a ramp, it is scary, even if it's just 1 foot off.
Swift Day.
On the low, what's up with you, ho? Bitches smoking dro, bet you know. Bust like 44 when I spit that flow, cause we go hard. Like that shit they hustle on the boulevard. Fuck your bra, bitch, I bet I could. Bitch, I bet I would. On the low, what's up with you, ho? Bitches smoking dro, bet you know. Bust like 44 when I spit that flow, cause we go hard. Like that shit they hustle on the boulevard. Fuck your bra, bitch, I bet I could. Bitch, I bet I would. Let me get it right now, that's the shit I've been on. R-A-T-T-A-C-K, you know we shit on. Anybody in the way all day, I'm living my life, boy, you know, to the fullest. These women, they love us, they push us and pull us. Just me and my team taking shots without bullets. Getting this money, you know we don't bullshit. People, they love it, they know the name. I got a little change, but I'm still the same, so break it down.
Man, jumping that ramp, dude, is just too much fun. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to pop on here and make video number 1. Also, me and Miller got a foam pit, so I made a video on that also. I just haven't gotten done with it yet. We're still working on getting it set up. Stay tuned for that. Go check out Miller's video. Check out Miller's channel, which will be linked in the description, and you can go check out his foam pit video there of showing the day we went and picked it up and all that good stuff. But anyways, like and subscribe, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Well, that was pretty good.
What's up? Yeah, we do it all day, dog. I bite and you play, dog. I don't like the way that you play, dog. Every night that we packing them in, third of my shoes, tracking them in. On stage emotion, we laughing again. Go to work all day with the pad and the pen. Look up in the sky, see a plane, see a bird. OCD, we go to work. OCD, we go berserk. I mean, a team is super genius. Now we off in outer space. Push them off and out